Hey, welcome back to another video, guys. So in this video, we'll learn how do we split a text or a document that we have already loaded using document loader in LangChain. Okay, so let's jump directly into the video. Uh, okay, so in the previous video, we learned like how do we import a text document using document loader or a PDF document or anything from the web. Okay, so in this video we'll learn the document or the text which we have loaded. We'll split it, like we'll learn how to split it. Okay, so yeah, first of all you need to install this library, which is langchain underscore text underscore splitters. Okay, and then I have already loaded the document to save the time. So as you can see, I will run this cells again. This is the text document, and the document, like the type is already, it's like if we check the type, uh, txt of 0, you can see that it is a document type. Okay, so if it's not a document type, then we need to convert it using document. I'll show you how to do it. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, let's see, we have a text document and that we have loaded, and we have to split this text document. How do we do it? Okay, so here we have to use a library which I mentioned, which is recursive text splitter. So from LangChain text splitters, import recursive text splitter. Okay, we have to import this library, and then we have to initialize this, and then we have to initialize this recursive text splitter, and we have to specify here the chunk size and chunk overlap. So chunk size is basically when you have this document or any text, the chunk size is basically in how many letters, like in a particular chunk, how many letters should be there, is what is chunk size. And chunk overlap means every time you make different chunks, the previous letters that are coming in the chunk, and should, like how many letters should be repeated in the next chunk. This is what chunk overlap is. I will like you will understand better when we'll do it. Okay, so let's assume I'm mentioning the chunk size as 100. Okay, chunk size as 100, and chunk overlap as 20. Okay, and then we can have to apply the to the document. Final doc is equals to RTS of text. Okay, we'll see the final doc. Okay, config because not callable. Why is it not callable? Okay, okay. So here we initialize this, and then yeah. So final doc will use RTS dot. You can see there are many, so we'll use here document splitter, split documents. Okay, what I'm like, I sometime before I mentioned, like if you don't, if the document, I we check the document type, right? So if the document type uh, is not document, we can use first create document. Okay, create documents, convert it to a document type, and then split documents. Okay, but in our case we already have it in document type, so we will directly use it in as a split, directly use split documents. And then we'll mention the a document which you have to split, which is text, this one, and then we'll print it. Like, not, that was just write final doc. Okay, okay, so we can see uh, the document got split. Like it is split, it is split in the format. So as you can see, um, like we have the document in like there in particular chunks. Okay, so but you can see like in some sentences, like this third one, at the end it is by mid journey, and in the start of the fourth sentence, by mid journey. This is what is the use of chunk overlap. Okay, so the previous few words or the previous few letters are repeating in the next chunk. This is why chunk overlap is important. You can play around and you can check uh, like how it's working. Okay, so this is how we split the text document, and then we'll see how do we do it for a PDF. So we have already loaded a PDF. We'll see this PDF. Okay, okay. Saying is not valid. Okay, no issues. I think it's done now. Okay, so okay, we have 4 pages, right? So now we'll try to split this. Okay, so we'll again call that recursive text splitter. We'll again initialize it. So rst2 recursive text splitter. This time we'll give the chunk size a little bit more. Chunk size equals to 200, and we'll give the chunk overlap as 30 maybe. Like you can try out, there is no like fixed default value. uh, like you can try out. Then we have initialized it, then we will apply it. The final doc 2, then rst2 dot split documents, and then we have to mention PDF, and then we will just check our final doc 2. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, so we can see we have got our split document. Yeah, so it's working fine. So this is how you split your document that you have already that you have loaded using document loader or anything. Okay, so yeah, that's all about this video. Thank you so much. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe for more such videos. Follow.